last two videos we have seen that on the presentation, first one was on the introductory presentation, and second was the SP3D training for the equipment. Now today we will see how to create an equipment in SP3D. There are two ways we have created in any software, just like in SP3D, in PDS as well as in P3D. First one is a equipment which is ready-made available in your customized library. Means the customized equipment, we have to just select that equipment and place and change our dimension as per our requirement. And the second part is we have to create the equipment by using parts which is available in the. First of all, once we will go to the SP3D software, then we have to define the workspace. Initially it will be blank over here, there is no hierarchy. We have to define that hierarchy from go to the file and say define workspace. You can see at the right hand side there is a workspace explorer, so that once we will defining our workspace, then automatically the hierarchy will reflect towards the right side of this screen, which is showing the workspace explorer under the workspace explorer. Now once you will select define workspace from file, there will be such type of screen appears in front of you. Here model which we have to select. If there are two models available for the project, then we have to select from here from the drag down menu. Right now it is one. I have created only one, that is a training 002 for the presentation purpose. Now go to the filter. Here we have two options, create new filter, and second one is go to the by selecting the more to create the filter inside the filter hierarchy. Now the difference between create a new filter and selecting the more, I will show you how to create a new filter over here. Select a new create a new filter. Now by using a create a new filter, it means that user is a new and he has to create filter for his working purpose. So we have to select this create new filter and name over here. For example, this is my training dash 0001. Select the area in which you have to work for modeling or creating a equipment. Either you can select only one area, or if you wish you can select a whole project also. But selecting this is a training project, so if I will select the training whole project, then it will not take too much time. But at the time of the project, you have to select a particular area. Also attach the other disciplines too. Either it is a process, utility, sometimes there will be electrical and the instrumentation disciplines too over here. So select this area, and please ensure that we have to check this box include nested object. Now select OK. Role you can keep as it is, none. If you are like piping designer, once you will log in, then automatically the role will come over here. Generally, piping designers having these roles: piping designer underground, piping designers above ground, equipment designers. But generally, piping designers they are doing the equipment as well as the piping models too. So keep right now this none and say OK. Once your workspace is defined, see here on the right hand side your workspace explorer showing your hierarchy to work under it. Okay. Just like process, under the process area there are a number of different disciplines, that is the electrical, equipment, instrumentation, piping, structure. In utility also we have to the admin has created this discipline too. Now we have selected this area A001 and showing the hierarchy towards inside the under the workspace explorer site. Now once we will defining the workspace, then we have to select the task. Go to the task. There are different types of tasks over here. Catalog, which is used for the specification, catalog for the catalog data. Then this is for the civil CAS department, drawings and reports. While creating the drawings and reports under this drawings and reports task, electrical discipline, we work under the electrical. Then equipment, etc., 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 like this. Now we have to work in the equipment module, so we have to select the equipment and furnishing task. Once you will select the task, automatically on the left hand side you will find the command bar, which is reflect on the left hand side of the screen bar. Okay, now these are the toolbars. This is the select command. Then this will place equipment. This is a place design equipment. Then this is a place equipment component. This is place design equipment components. Place shape, place nozzle, place imported shape from file. Then rotate equipment, replace equipment, and this is the place design solids. We will see all these things one by one. But before that, today we will learn how to create or how to develop the equipment by using a customized commands, customized equipment, which is available in the library. Now for that we have to select this one, place equipment. There will be equipment folder appear in front of you. Then expand this one. There are new number of disciplines available over here. One is the architecture. If your equipment belongs to the architecture, then go to the architecture and select that particular equipment. Then civil, electrical, HVAC, mechanical, process, safety, vehicle, and maintenance. For training purpose, we will see this one. This is a slope drum. Horizontal slope, simple horizontal slope drums. We will see how to create this one by using a customized equipment. So slope drums comes under the process. Go to the explore this process, click on the plus sign. Horizontal vessels comes under the horizontal drum comes under the horizontal vessel. Now we will see, or we will select simple horizontal vessel. Click on the plus sign, select this simple horizontal vessels. On the right hand side you will see this simple horizontal vessels along with the part description. Select this one and say OK. equipment property bar, come in front of you, give the name for this particular equipment. For example, your data sheet showing at the end or at the top, this is a horizontal drum. We will write over here V dash 100000. This is default name rule. Instead of define the default name rule, user has to define. So write the define user defined, then place the description over here, keen slop drum. Okay, then this is a standard category. Another category is a position and orientation, where we have to place the key in the value of east, north and elevation, where this equipment will be placed and which point. For looking into the diagram which is available in the SP3D, show dimensional legend, click on this. This palette will appear in front of you. Here we will see P2 is a vessel length. P2 from tan to tan line is your vessel length. Then vessel diameter, inside diameter of the vessel, that is a P3. Then vessel center height, P4. P4 from center line to the bottom of the lug. Now first support location. If my datum point is DP, that this is my datum point at first tan line, then from this tan line to the center of this support, that is by P5, and that is the first support location. P6 is second support location. P6 is second support location, which is from the center of the first support to the center of the second lug. Then support thickness, P7. P7 is the thickness of the lug, the leg. Then support length, P8. P8 is your support length. This is my support length. Now for that, for position and orientation, this is my DP1. So my equipment is located at this point. So this east, north and elevation is my DP1. Initially we will keep east 0, north 0 and elevation we will keep 5000 for training purpose. Now bearing angle means equipment rotate along the x-axis, along the z-axis. That I will show you. Equipment rotate along the z-axis, the angle which is 90 degree now. Then pitch angle is your y. This is my y direction. So equipment rotate along the y-axis, and the roll angle is my x angle. So equipment rotate along the x-axis. If we will change this one, we will see by changing these angles afterwards, once we will place the exact value over here. Now go to the equipment dimensions. Now go to the dimension. Vessel center height. This is a vessel center height, means P4 from leg to the center. We will see in this diagram from vessel leg end of the bottom of the leg to the center of the vessel. This is the 3000. So we will keep 3000. Vessel diameter here 1500. Now we will see vessel diameter is 2500. Then vessel length is from tan line to tan line. That that is my P2 vessel length. So 5000, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So this is my 9000. After keying the value of equipment dimension, now go to the insulation and tracing. If your vessel is if your vessel is insulated, if your vessel is insulated, then just instead of is your vessel is insulated, here asking, just select this false and change the true. Then you will find the key over here what is your insulation, which is internally defined or externally defined on the equipment, then insulation type, then insulation purpose, then material which is used. Go to the more. Once you will select this more button, then you will find another window from where we have to select the insulation material. Now click on a plus button. Now there are the different insulation types are available under this hierarchy. Select whichever is your insulation for the equipment and click OK over here. Now our equipment is a non-insulated. So we will not select over any type of insulation. Support dimension, support location. This is the support location. First support location from the DP to the DP3. Now from DP to support location is 2000. First support is at 2000. Then second support location between two support sorry, this is a 5000. This is a 5000. Then support thickness you will consider 300 mm. Okay. 300. And support length is P8, means this one. Now our dia is around 2500. Now we will consider 2000. Now apply and say OK. Then this is my fit button. Select this one. Your equipment reflect in front of us. Now this is my common view palette command. It will appear here by clicking this one. If you will click this one, then this common view reflect in front of you. Sometimes we miss this one, so select again this common view. We will find you here. Now we will see how to looking our equipment from isometric view. These points are the isometric points. Select on this from bottom side, this one, side view, front view, side view. This looks like this. this is my equipment. This is my V0000001. Nozzles are inside of this vessel that we will cover equipment by using how to create a nozzle or how to modify this nozzle from the equipment in part 2. Okay, contact me with my WhatsApp number. If you have any query regarding this or any questions, please ask me, feel freely. I will definitely provide you the correct and the accurate answer.